Eskom announces 9-hour power outage in Gauteng next week. Parts of Gauteng will be without electricity due to planned maintenance by Eskom, leading to a 9-hour power outage. The power utility will do the maintenance on Tuesday, January 30th. Eskom said there will be electricity supply disruption in Evaton due to maintenance that will be conducted on the distribution network. The power outage will affect customers in Evaton West Extension 11 on Tuesday, January 30th from 9 to 1800 hours. The interruption of electricity is necessary to perform essential maintenance on our distribution power lines, the power utility said. Eskom said in the interest of safety, customers should treat all electrical appliances as live at all times during the power outage. Eskom apologizes for any inconvenience that this maintenance may cause. Should circumstances beyond the control of Eskom arise, the planned electricity maintenance may not proceed as communicated, the power utility added. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.